Well, if you're here, you know it's another Slaburday Saturday. If you're new, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna go get a short but pretty massive willow log that's super burly. So I'm super pumped to do this. Very unique lumber. Let's just go. Let's go. We're gonna go do it. All right, everyone, we're back for Slaburday Saturday. This is a super ugly, gnarly willow log, but we have a project coming up where we need to do a countertop out of this chunk of wood. So this is another kind of cool one. You're gonna be able to follow along the process pretty quickly, from sawmilling it to drying it in our vacuum kiln and to Justin making a beautiful kitchen countertop with it. So I don't know what we're gonna end up with here. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Let us know what you think. We're gonna pick this up with the telehandler, get it dropped on the mill, and start slicing it into 10-quarter lumber. Oof, let's do it. All right, awesome. We got the, boom, the clamps. I'll call them clamps, but they're just wedges screwed down. Obviously, you just saw me do that. Blade is on there tensioned. I've adjusted the blade guides. We're gonna be cutting this stuff at 10-quarter, 2.5 inches thick. So we're just gonna raise the sawmill up, and we're gonna start our first cut. Up now, please. All right, how does the up and down work? We have an up and down button right here, up, down. This is connected to an AC drive, or what's called a VFD, inside our mill house, which then initiates that up or down. There's a bunch of settings on that. Powers our motor. Here's our motor right here. It is connected to a chain and a long shaft that goes across both sides of the sawmill. One long shaft, a couple bearings, and then it comes down to these two threaded lead screws, I think they're called, threaded screws, possibly, Acme threaded screws. Hopefully I'm right with that. I'm sure somebody will correct me. To these cool bushings that are kind of floating here a little bit. So the motor turns on, turns the shaft, turns the threaded rod, lifts the sawmill up and down. It's as easy as that. We got 3 slabs already cut. First, we'll check it out over here on the skid. This one did break apart, but like I said, we're doing specifically an epoxy countertop for this, and literally this is exactly the type of lumber our customers are looking for. So, so far so good. True, super ugly log, and as I was saying, without this epoxy movement that we have going on, very difficult to utilize this type of lumber. So it's really cool to see, in my opinion, a beautiful log get used, turned into a piece of artwork, what we like to say, a functional piece of artwork. All right, let's pull the other slabs off. I've been able to mill really fast, slicing through really quick. The wood's very soft, and it's a brand new sharp blade. Thank you, Troy, for putting that on. Troy's like a little magic genie. Don't let that go to your head, Troy. Oh! All right, we don't usually bust out the water pop so early, but I don't know, this stuff's looking pretty cool to me, so let me keep my shadow out of here. Get a little... Yeah, see what I mean? Like, in my opinion, the ugliest logs, even this piece, which is like the most regular piece of lumber, I don't know, it's just, they're very unique. This is stunning though, look at this. That is stunning right there. All right, we started off fantastic. The slabs were literally solid slabs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 like really nice solid slabs, and now it's really degrading. We did know this. We can see in the end of the log here, we had all this kind of, oh yeah, this is solid stuff, folks. 60 bucks a board foot right here. No, kidding. But it does have a really nice burly edge that still has like some solidness to it. So we're hoping to save, you know, almost like the outsides of these slabs. So we'll see what we got. We sliced up another 1, 2, we got 3 more here. We're gonna pull them off, see what we got. All right, everyone, we threw in the towel. There's a big chunk of wood there. It looks like just firewood. It got really punky. Fortunately, I believe we got enough lumber here for Justin's job. So Thank you, Willow Log, for at least providing us enough lumber. We'll see, we'll probably dry most of this. The neat thing is that all of this will fully soak up epoxy, and it'll actually be stronger than the wood would actually have been if it was just normal solid willow. So kind of interesting. It's got really, really cool burly edges, so we're gonna utilize it as best we can. It's sliced up really well. This is the fastest I've ever cut through a log on the mill. Willow's very soft. Again, brand new sharp blade. It is a hot day out here, folks. I hope you're having a good weekend. Saturday, or whatever day you watch this, I suppose, because we're on YouTube. I should probably stop ranting now because Andy needs to edit this. Last minute Lemiski. It is now Friday afternoon, and he needs to get this edited, uploaded for you guys to watch Saturday morning. And I really appreciate all of you guys tuning in. Gonna do the normal things, folks. We're gonna smash that like button, right? Because that helps us out, helps us share the channel. It's something you can do. We really, really appreciate it. And of course, comment below. Is this trash or is this treasure? What do you guys think? And as always, everyone, make it a great one.